Let's take a quick moment and talk about office hours. You should have all gotten this in an email, but let's talk about my office hours and how this works. Okay, here's my name, and you can just see the cross section of when I'm available. Uh, the truth is, I'm available anytime. But if you want to if you want to just go to a structured time period, if you are a World History 7 student, you can go 10 to 10:30 on Tuesday. You can go 10:30 to 11 on Tuesday, which means any time from 10 to 11 on Tuesday, or 10:30 to 11 on Wednesday. Okay, that's my office hours. Nobody has office hours on Monday. Okay, middle school 10 to 11 on Tuesday, or 10:30 to 11 on Wednesday. Okay, U.S. History 8 students, my 8th graders, you can go 10 to 10:30 on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. Okay, but Mr. Arkadishevitz, what if I'm not available during that time? Let me know. Anytime you want to, you need a Google Meetup, I'm more than happy to do it. I mean, there may be restrictions on my time, but there's not many. So just email me and say I need to talk, and what time can you get together, and we'll figure it out. Okay. But these are structural times for you to. I will be online. I will be in a Google Meet. You can just pop in and ask any questions you want. Feel free to stop and say hi. But here's my priority. My priority is the students that are supposed to be there that have questions. So World History during the World History times, U.S. History during the U.S. History times, and kids with questions come first. Okay. If you want to pop in and it's not your time, if you're a U.S. History student and you want to pop in during the World History time, if there's nobody in there that has a question, you have my attention. Okay. So I have to prioritize the people that are supposed to be there with attention with questions. Then other than that, I could take care of anybody that needs help. You can always email me. You can always ask for a Google Meet, especially if you're struggling, and I can be more than happy to help you. As a matter of fact, Google Meets are usually really helpful, and it can be like 1 or 2 minutes. And I can say, click on this, click on this. You see where it reads this? Okay, do you understand it? And we're done. Okay, so I'd be more than happy to help anybody who needs it, but these are formal times for you to come get help, any help that you need. Okay, email me any questions that you have. I'll see some of you tomorrow.